Hi guys, my name is Adib. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys 2 sniper tips that are absolutely going to change the way you play Call of Duty Mobile. So, without any further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into the video.
So basically what you want to do is go to settings, sensitivity, and you want to go to your sniper scope sensitivity and turn it all the way down to 0. Now the most important when you're sniping is centering, and that's basically where your crosshair is before you aim in and when you turn your sniper scope sensitivity to 0. It means that you can make any excuses for yourself. Once you fully scope in, you can do any flicks, you can do any little movement, anything like that to fix up the mistakes in your centering. You have to rely purely on your centering for this exercise. And basically, if you practice this enough, it will make your centering so much better. And over time, your sniping skill will get much better. This is with sniper scope's sensitivity. This is without sniper scope sensitivity. The next thing you can do is download an app called AimChamp. Now after you download the application, make sure you set all of your settings to your COD mobile settings. There's a bunch of different game modes that you can play here. There's speed flicking, as you can see on the screen right now. It's testing your reflexes and your flicking ability. Now the one thing you wanna do when I'm practicing with and off this exercise is imagining the red sort of balls as your opponents. Now obviously if you just think of them as red balls and mindlessly try and shoot, it's not gonna help you as much in game scenario. But once you start thinking of these things as players, and you start flicking and imagine that you are sniping, it's gonna help you a lot more because it's going to train your brain to apply these skills to real games.
Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.